Kinder Joys today, and these are 2 Kinder Joys. So first we're going to open this one. I'm going to ask my dad to help me open it. I can't wait! So, they've got 2 Kinder Joys, since my dad already opened it. Let's see what the chocolate looks like. Here's the chocolate. Let's open the toy first. There you go. Whoa, we got a skateboard, I think. Let's get the accessories thing. Sticker. Oh, that. Okay. So we're going to get the sticker and put it on here. And this little one goes on the skateboard. Oh, that, and it goes over. Good. Oops, that's okay. That's all. Let's get the spoon. Now let's open this other one. Okay. Whoa, we got another thing. Here is the cards, I think. Yeah, cards. There's 15, 10, and 5. There's the instructions. So how we build this is, you put the board like this, and then I think, oh, okay. We will build this later on. Right, here's the panther up close. And the grass, the numbers, the little funnel, the skateboard. Here's the 2 instructions. The chocolate is my favorite part. So we're going to taste the chocolate to see what it tastes like. If you guys never opened a Kinder Joy, I live in America, and maybe you could go to Costco and you might find Kinder Joys. So yes. I forgot the spoon. Here we go. Let's taste the choco. Wait, I'm not going to eat the choco on camera, so. Bye. I'm going to make a follow-up video when I build this. Bye. Like and subscribe. Leave it down at the comments if you don't like it. Bye.